Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. In today's video I have this Tefal Easy Fry Essential. The fast and easy way to cook everyday crispy fried food with 99% less added fat. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have about 1 meter cable length, and here for storage. Very convenient, I like that. Ventilation, and here around. And of course included we have in the manuals. Here we have the control dial temperature. You can adjust 80, 120, 160, 200 degrees Celsius the maximum. And of course we have in the timer. Manual timer. With the sound, your food is ready. We can see how it looks. We have the heating element here. Silicone pads at the bottom. It will stay very secure at any surface. The tray. Maximum 3.5 liters. But the capacity for each food is not more than 1 kilogram. I will show you later. Very easy to install inside and pull to remove. So let's move on and prepare a meal. Steaks already in the basket, ready to cook. And I need to choose the temperature, 180 degrees for 12 minutes. We have the LED indicator and some informations here for each category. The manual timer is not so accurately because it shows only every 10 minutes. With a digital timer, definitely it will be better. And you can always check the food process. It will stop automatically. You can flip. And it will resume. And it's ready. Nice and juicy. Perfect. Let's clean that. Next, burger meat. (180 degrees Celsius) for 12 minutes. And you can check for each food the quantity, the cooking time and the cooking temperature. Food is ready. Ooh. I just love how it looks. I didn't flip the meat in the cooking process, so we can see in this area is not cooked very well. I think it's okay. Yep, nice. Oh my god, it tastes so well. Time to make a burger. Next is the chicken. (180°C) for 10 minutes. Food is ready. Well done, I like it. This is thicker, larger piece. I think it needs about 1 to 2 minutes more. French fries, frozen, 500 grams. (180°C) for 20 minutes. I love how easy it is to use and how consistently it cooks. Whether you are making chips, chicken or vegetables, or reheating leftovers, it gets the job done. It's a great option if you are looking for an affordable, fuss-free air fryer. If you will remove the basket, the timer will continue to work. Ready? If you are new to air frying or need a compact, powerful machine for 1 or 2 people, this is a fantastic entry point. The 3.5-liter capacity is perfect for quick side dishes and snacks, and the simple dial controls mean there's absolutely no learning curve. Best of all, you get that great, crispy texture we all love, but with little to no oil. It truly makes healthy cooking easy and accessible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next kitchen gadget review or recipe test. Thanks so much for watching, enjoy your cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.